ProShare, Nigeria's leading financial analyst, in commitment to offering unique services to retail investors in the country, recently launched a new homepage and a retail investors companion, the Analyst. The new site has so many first-ever additions, all designed to provide a full-loop user experience. To give further insight on this new innovation, the head of the project team, Mrs. Reshu BAGGA, Chief Operating Officer of ProShare, shares on the making of the emerging market platform, the Analyst.
The Analyst, though we have been into this market since last 7-8 years, but we realized there were some missing gaps in terms of information, in terms of data for the retail investors. So the whole of Analyst is designed in such a way, like the whole perspective of the Analyst is towards the retail investors. How we can serve those retail investors who entered into the market or who burned their fingers in 2008, 2009. And our target is to bring those investors back into the market by providing information, data, empowerment. So if everything is available in the market, you have tools available which will help you in your investments, I think those investors can still come back to the market. If you want to choose your portfolio, you have information, you have data on any kind of investments which are available in the country right now. Like you have information on equities, bonds, ETFs. NSE is planning to roll out and come up with more new ETFs. Then if you decide that you want to go into equities, any information on any quoted company is available, whether it is any kind of information. Then we have various tools like peer comparison. You want to compare any sector. You have performance comparisons. You have valuation comparisons based on some specific valuation metrics like EPS, price earnings ratio. Then the first time ever we have introduced technical analysis charts, because we have seen that in Nigeria now people are starting to build the technical analysis perspective, because they have seen like fundamental analysis for long term. It's like you have seen what happened in 2008. So if you are a short term trader, you can invest for a month or two by using our technical analysis charts. Now the trend in the country is changing, like what we are trying to follow the global trends, like what was happening in US, UK, like investors are able to trade themselves. So everything is being automated, and NSE is coming up with their new trading platform. So what we have tried to do is we have tied up with few reputed brokers in the country where you can send in your own mandate online, and whatever triggers you want to set in, you can fill in your forms, online registration forms. So all the manual automated process is being eliminated from the process. So all your mandates are online, and then you can just go and register with the broker of your choice from our site, and then you can start trading from there. I think for retail investors, I would just like to say that if you want data, you want news, you want research, you want execution, everything is available in Analyst.